started something a long time back and I've followed it ever since with all my heart. Dream big, sparkle more, shine bright. Yes, when your dreams come true, you shine bright like a star. We welcome you to Shine LPO, an amazing platform that offers you a wonderful business opportunity that transforms you from a dreamer to an achiever. Shine LPO is an international business collaboration between Shine Droid Game Development Services from Philippines and Los Pobres Coin from Brazil. Mr. Nicole Vargas is the owner of Shine Droid Game Development Services, and the company develops gaming application in Philippines. Los Pobres Coin is an original project by Mr. Marcelo Gallardo from Brazil, a trader and a cryptocurrency enthusiast from 2018. Mr. Marcelo has poured in all his knowledge in this project. He is also an active social worker since 2007. So, how are the units and revenue of LPO distributed? When you visit the website, you can see that there are 10 billion LPO coins. It is in the pre-sale phase right now, and 70% of total units is allotted for sales. 17% is allotted for promotion, and 13% of tokens, that is 1.3 billion, is allotted for people like you and me who are part of the direct selling industry from all over the world. The distribution of revenue from pre-sale is as follows. 50% of the revenue generated will be going for maintenance, 30% will be going for infrastructure and technology, and 10% for marketing. Most importantly, 10% will be donated for various humanitarian purposes. This is the reason why LPO is known as a cryptocurrency with humanity. So what exactly is Shine LPO? It is a 100% decentralized program tested on a global scale, a business opportunity that allows everyone to join with 500 trons and earn more than 500 million trons in total. A transparent business model with a self-verifying, self-enforcing and tamper-proof smart contract where all transactions made by everybody can be verified on the blockchain. Experience lightning-fast automatic withdrawals with Shine LPO. A P2P business model that bypasses third-party involvement and reduces surplus transaction cost. Shine LPO offers the following. Shine LPO follows the principle of a three-matrix structure where entries are automatically placed from top to bottom order and in a left to right fashion, following a sequential order in multiples of 3. The unique four-matrix structure that multiplies your income every time you complete the structure. For the first time ever, a unique 7-level matrix structure carefully designed and calculated to generate maximum earnings for achievers. Let's go on a tour of the roadmap. It was in October 2020, Shine and LPO decided on this business collaboration. By January 2021, the white paper was released, and in April 2021, the pre-contribution phase started. Going ahead with the roadmap, the smart contract was created and people started to join from all over the world and expand the team. Shine, which develops gaming application, will launch an online gaming application in the third quarter of this year, followed by our own Shine LPO application in the last quarter of 2021. Next year will be eventful because Shine LPO will set foot in the offline market in 2022. From offline establishments to launching physical tokens for local businesses and setting up ATM in major locations to help daily transactions, all are under development. Looking at the LPO working board, you can see that the LPO token was created on 1st of April 2021. The first batch of pre-sales started on 2nd May in Trust Wallet, where price of 1 LPO was 0.01 USD. You are in the second pre-sale now, which started on 20th May, where one can buy LPO from the website at 0.025 USD. The third and the last phase of pre-sale is scheduled to go live on 1st April at 0.05 USD per LPO. After pre-sale ends, LPO will go live on PancakeSwap on 16th July. For the first 2 weeks of August 2021, LPO will be enlisted in 2 major decentralized exchanges, followed by a major announcement by Mr. Marcelo about the future projects. Finally, on 15th September, LPO will enter the coin market cap. As people join and teams expand, Shine LPO has gifted us with 4 global community participation goals. When the community participation hits $1 million, Shine LPO will bring an online gaming application where you can play different games and earn LPO. Shine LPO will launch a short video sharing app where you can showcase your skills and earn LPO for next community participation goal of $2 million. Achieving third community participation goal of $4 million will give us a fantasy sports platform where you can play live fantasy sports like cricket, football, etc., forming our own team. The most ambitious community participation goal is NPC and virtual reality projects, which is set for the $10 million community participation goal. Before you achieve the community participation goals, Shine LPO has presented us with some lucrative business opportunities. When you register your ID for free with Shine LPO, you get 500 LPO in your wallet. On activating your ID, you can refer 5 new people and earn 500 LPO more. So, in 3 easy steps, you get 1000 LPO in your wallet. When anyone from your referral activates his or her ID, you can refer 5 new people and hence earn 500 LPO from them also. For the second and third ID activated from your referral, you can earn 5 new people for each activation and earn 1000 LPO in total from them. As you see from the board, you earn 2500 LPO in total from 3 ID activations from your referral. You don't get any more LPO after that, but you can refer unlimited people after 3 IDs get activated from your referrals. Please note that the activation of ID is mandatory for withdrawal earnings, be it LPO or Tron. Let's discuss about earning Trons. Shine LPO has some amazing business opportunity for you. The very first is the Shine LPO level income, a 3 matrix structure with 10 levels. On the first level, when 3 people join the Shine LPO level plan, you earn 100 Trons for each of them, and your earning from this level is 300 Trons. From the next 2 levels, you earn 10 Trons from each, that is 90 Trons from 9 people and 270 Trons from 27 people. For the next 4 levels, you earn 5 Trons from each on every level, that is 405 Trons from 4th level, 1215 Trons from 5th level, 3645 Trons from 6th level and 10935 Trons from 7th level. As the number of people increase in the last 3 levels, Shine LPO increases the distribution of LPO on each level. So, on the last 3 levels, you earn 10 Trons from each person on every level. That is 65,600 Trons, 196,830 Trons and 590,490 Trons respectively. Your total income from Shine LPO level income is 869,790 Trons. However, you also earn 100 Trons from every direct sponsor from your ID. Therefore, if 3 people on the first level are your direct sponsors, you earn 600 Trons from that level. If 4 people on the second level are your direct sponsors, you earn 490 Trons from that level and likewise. Coming to the master income, 100% of level income is distributed in 5 levels and each level runs for unlimited with which means there can be unlimited placements on each level. 50% of level income is distributed on the first level, 20% in the second level, and 10% is distributed in each of third, fourth, and fifth level. As you look at the reference structure, three of your direct sponsors completed the Shine LPO level income, you earn 50% of their total savings, that is 1,304,685 trons. On the second level, you earn 20% of total earnings from 9 direct of 3 people on your first level, which is 1,565,622 trons. Likewise, you earn 2,348,433 trons, which is 10% of earning from 27 people on the third level, 7,045,299 trons from 81 people on fourth level, and 21,135,897 trons on fifth level. So, the total earning from master income is 33,399,936 trons. Next, you have the very first upgrade of Shine LPO. It's the Shine LPO speed income, a 4-matrix structure with unique earnings. Every ID in Shine LPO smart contract is upgraded automatically because it is a decentralized platform with no admin and management, and you don't have to put in trons separately. You upgrade your ID with 500 trons in Shine LPO speed income, and when 4 of your direct sponsors upgrade their ID, you earn 300 trons from each of them, which is 1,200 trons. The remaining 200 trons is distributed equally in the next 4 levels. As it is a 4-matrix structure, you earn 50 trons from each of 16 people on the next level, that is 800 trons. Likewise, you earn 3,200 trons from 64 people on the next level, 12,800 trons from 256 people on next level, and 51,200 trons on the next level. Total earning from Shine LPO speed income is 69,200 trons. The uniqueness of this plan starts when you complete this goal, because when you can re-upgrade your ID as many times as you wish for 500 trons and again start from the beginning, where you earn 69,200 trons every time you complete this goal. Now comes the bonus yet major business opportunity from Shine LPO. The first is the Shine LPO booster income. This is a globally running autofill structure where you auto upgrade your ID with 700 trons and earn millions of trons. Looking at the board, on every level placement upline earns 20% of the turnover from each level. Sponsorship income is 80% of the turnover from each level, from where level upgrade for the next level is auto deducted. When you auto upgrade with 700 trons, you enter the booster income plan. On the entry level, turnover is 2,100 trons, where placement upline earns 420 trons and total earning from entry level is 980 trons. After 700 tron is auto deducted as next level upgrade. On the first level, placement upline earns 1,260 trons. Deduction for next level upgrade is 1,000 trons and earning is 4,040 trons. Similarly, from the second and third level, you earn 19,600 trons and 125,600 trons respectively. From the fourth level, placement upline earns 194,400 trons and you earn 769,600 trons from a team of 243 people. From the fifth level, placement upline earns 1,166,400 trons and you earn 4,649,600 trons. From the sixth level, placement upline earns 6,998,400 trons and you earn 27,961,600 trons. The final level has no upgrade deduction. Here, your placement uplines earns 41,099,400 trons and you earn 167,961,600 trons. Looking at the end of the board, your total earning is 201,492,620 trons and placement upline earns 50,389,080 trons separately. The next bonus business opportunity is the Shine LPO Authority Structure, a globally running auto pool structure where anyone from anywhere in the world can upgrade their IDs at any time. Here, you auto upgrade your ID with 3000 trons and earn millions of trons when you are at the final authority structure. Any ID upgraded after you follows the top to outer bottom and gets placed in the next vacant position in left to right fashion. There are 7 authority structures and each authority structure requires 12 people in 2 slabs. When you auto upgrade your ID with 3000 trons, you enter the first authority structure. From 3 people joining in globally after you, total turnover for first slab is 9000 trons. 4,500 trons get deducted for upgrade to next slab and your earning is 4,500 trons. For the next slab, 9 global joining is required and the turnover is 40,500 trons. 10,000 trons is deducted for the second authority structure upgrade and you earn 30,500 trons. So, from the first authority structure, you earn 35,000 trons in total. The same method follows for the second authority structure where 3 global joining on first slab generates earning of 10,000 trons. Second slab is upgraded with 20,000 trons and you earn 150,000 trons when 9 people join from the Shine LPO Global family. Your total earning from second authority structure is 160,000 trons. You earn 40,000 trons from the first slab and 350,000 trons from the second slab at the third authority structure, which adds up to 390,000 trons as total earnings. From the fourth authority structure, you earn 1.5 million trons in total, which is 500% of 300,000 trons used to upgrade your ID. As you move from one authority structure to the next, your earnings keep on increasing. You earn a hefty 5,600,000 trons from the fifth authority structure. Earning from the sixth authority structure is a massive 28 million trons. Finally, when you complete the seventh authority structure, you earn the jackpot of 190 million trons from a team of only 12 people. This is the simple yet rewarding business opportunity offered by Shine LPO. You can visit www.shinetoken.io and www.lospobrestoken.com for further details about this international collaboration. Thank you.